serikali ikuja address this matter now and forever now.
CYTONN Investments, a leading alternative investment management firm with a focus on asset management, real estate and private equity, has today officially signed a 650 million shillings loan facility with State Bank of Mauritius as it seeks to bring in long-term debt to complement its private markets funding, such as CYTONN High Yield Solution and institutional funding, such as funding from the Taleri of Finland CYTONN Real Estate. The development affiliate of CYTONN Investments will direct the loan facility towards completion of the Alma in Vuaka. The Alma is a 4.0 billion shillings residential mixed-use development in Vuaka town in Kiambu County. It comprises of 477 residential units and a commercial space that includes a kindergarten, and phase 1 is currently 90% sold.
I think what we're doing is looking back at 2018 and then saying what does it mean for this year for investing in overseas markets. So from last year was a pretty tough investment environment, both for bond investors and equity investors. So particularly Q4 for equity investors if the US market fell quite significantly. Looking forward, we think this year is going to be a bit better, and the reasons for this is multiple reasons. We've got global growth we expect to stabilize, so we saw growth expectations deteriorate significantly in Q4, but in the US and emerging markets we're already seeing signs of them bottoming out. Europe's a little bit still in a downward trend at the moment, but again should stabilize there as well. We've also seen policy responses coming through from the US, obviously the pause in interest rate hikes and talking about end of tapering later this year, and China has already put forward a significant stimulus in terms of tax cuts and also in terms of monetary policy easing measures as well. I think one of the things we are watching very closely is the dollar. Flows into emerging market assets are generally inversely correlated with the dollar. So if the dollar's strengthening significantly, money is usually taken out of emerging market assets. Whereas if you see the reverse, where the dollar's stable or falling, then money comes into emerging market assets. So I think that's something that's a lot of debate going on, even within our investment committee, but obviously in the market as well. The dollar's rallied a little bit this year, very key levels now. Our sense is it's not going